a question came up. How do I get people into this list? There are two ways you can do that. You can create a smart list that will filter based on attributes for your existing database, or you can upload a list from a spreadsheet. That's what we're going to do now. In order to do this, you need to build a static list inside of your program to import to. So to do that, we click New, Local Asset, List. Not a smart list, but a list. We will name this Simple Upload. Now you can see that here. We go here, back to the main program. We'll import the list, and we need a CSV file. You can't upload Excel. You can upload CSV and a few others. For example, comma, tab delineated, or semicolon. Comma is the most common for the English. I like to do a quick fast import because I want to update people on a regular basis. This is a trusted source, which means it comes from known people. Next. I like to open up my CSV file and check it ahead of time. To save myself time, I'm going to look at these headers to make sure that the header names match Marketo's field names. What I see here is two mistakes. So what I'm going to do is make this first space name, and this should be company name. If I do this, I won't have to map to my fields later when I'm doing my import. May not be a big deal for 5 fields, but when you get 15 or 20, it becomes kind of hard to navigate. So I'm going to save this as a CSV and close this. Now the next thing that we do after we import, you can see here that the fields map properly. And additionally, I like to review some of the sample values. This is particularly important when you have non-Latin characters in a name. So for example, in German you might have umlauts, and they can show up garbled, particularly with Microsoft Excel. So I like to scan through this before I do an upload to look for any problems. This all looks good, so we're going to say next. We're going to import it to the list that we just created, which is called Super Simple Upload. And I don't need an alert. The next thing that we do, we'll just say import. And what you'll see here is we'll get a notification when this is done. There they are. Finally, we go back to our main program, and you'll see that now we have 3899 people, and we're good to go here. So we're good to go here. All we need to do is schedule and approve, and we're all set.